Welcome everyone! In today's video, we are watching an incredible transformation where a 100-year-old roofless silo, left abandoned and decaying, is slowly being given a new life. The ruined stone walls are being carefully repaired and rebuilt step by step, turning this forgotten tower into an amazing luxury gathering space for the family. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful restoration process. The old dirt, roots, and accumulated debris inside are being completely removed using shovels in an excavator, and fresh gravel is being evenly spread across the newly cleared floor. This continuous process is being carefully done because the clean, weed-free gravel layer perfectly manages soil moisture, creating an exceptionally solid, perfectly leveled, and long-lasting base before the concrete foundation pour begins. Wooden forms are being carefully built outside the silo's entrance, and gravel is being poured inside the frame using a loader machine. This is being done because the wooden mold will perfectly hold the concrete shape, while the gravel layer creates a highly strong and level base for the new entrance foundation. The old interior stone walls of the silo are being meticulously washed and blasted with a high-pressure washer, removing decades of accumulated dirt and moss so that the new concrete and plaster materials can bond strongly and securely to the original structure. Moisture-resistant plastic sheets and rebar mesh are being laid over the gravel, followed by fresh concrete being poured directly from a mixer truck. This combined process is being done because the plastic and rebar prevent ground moisture and cracking, allowing the poured concrete to create an incredibly strong, smooth, and long-lasting new floor base for the historic building. Release powder is being spread over the wet concrete using a brush, and blue stamping mats are being firmly pressed onto the surface. This process is being done because the powder prevents the mats from sticking, allowing them to imprint a beautiful, natural, stone-like texture into the plain floor. Standing safely on the boom lift platform with safety harnesses, workers are carefully applying fresh cement mixture or mortar into the gaps of the old stone walls. This delicate process is being done because the new mortar firmly locks the stones in place, removing structural weaknesses and providing long-lasting stability to the entire historic building. Massive raw wooden logs are being carefully milled into thick boards using a portable sawmill, and those freshly cut boards are then being precisely trimmed to exact measurements using a powerful table saw. This step-by-step process is being done because the sawmill creates the required strong planks for the frame, while the precise cuts from the table saw ensure that every joint fits flawlessly, making the entire structure incredibly strong and long-lasting. Using a large boom lift to reach the very top of the stone tower, a thick layer of fresh mortar is being carefully applied and smoothed along the upper edge of the wall. This is being done because the new mortar firmly locks the top stones in place, creating an incredibly solid and perfectly level base to safely support the massive new roof structure. Excess soil and large heavy stones around the exterior of the silo are being carefully cleared and moved away using an excavator machine. This is being done because removing the surrounding dirt and rocks keeps the building's foundation clean and makes the entire area perfectly level and ready for the construction of the new patio or retaining wall. Large stones are being carefully placed along a measured string line to build the retaining wall, and fresh mortar is being applied into the gaps between them. This step-by-step process is being done because the stones form the exact shape of the wall, while the wet mortar firmly locks them together, making the structure incredibly strong and durable to safely hold back the soil pressure. Steel reinforcing bars are being positioned inside the wooden forms before fresh concrete is poured, because this reinforced structure will firmly support the old stone wall and create a strong foundation for the next stage of construction. Large and heavy wooden beams are being laid out on the workshop floor and joined together at specific angles, gradually forming a massive and incredibly strong octagonal roof frame designed to completely cover and protect the open silo. Every wooden joint of the massive roof frame is being pulled tightly together with yellow ratchet straps and firmly secured with heavy screws, because these exact and strong connections will safely carry the immense weight of the entire roof for years to come. Long and heavy wooden joists are being carefully lifted and set into specific positions halfway up the silo walls using a lift, essentially creating the main support frame for the upper floor and keeping the entire structure internally rigid and strong. Thick plywood boards are being precisely cut to size and firmly screwed down onto those middle wooden joists, effectively creating a massive, flat, and extremely solid working platform to safely complete the upcoming roof installation on the second level. The fully assembled octagonal roof frame is being slowly and carefully hoisted high into the air using a large crane, expertly guiding this heavy structural masterpiece so it can be safely and accurately placed on the very top of the stone tower. After aligning and placing the roof frame perfectly onto the walls, long wooden pegs are being hammered directly into the joints to lock it, ensuring the roof stands completely secure and immovably safe in its place, even during severe windstorms. Long wooden planks are being laid one by one over the roof frame and carefully fastened down with screws and nails, completely covering the open top to create a beautiful solid deck and completing the first step in protecting the silo from rain. Dark gray metal roofing sheets cut to perfect dimensions are being lifted and meticulously screwed onto the roof panels, providing this historic building with a long-lasting, fully weatherproof, and visually stunning modern metal covering. Tall wooden posts and beams are being erected on the newly poured concrete doorstep and secured with metal brackets, successfully building an incredibly sturdy wooden structural frame to support the roof and windows of the new front entrance. beautiful, small, sloped roof is being constructed over the new entrance frame using wooden planks and waterproof sheets, effectively keeping the main silo door safely protected from direct sunlight, heavy rain, and snow all year round. Beautifully textured hardwood boards are being precisely cut, glued, and nailed down both on top and underneath the upper level's plywood floor, giving the entire lounge area an extremely premium, incredibly warm, and deeply comfortable living space feel. A perfectly straight square hole is being carefully cut directly into the center of the new wooden floor using a router machine, because this specific space will allow a special mechanical table system to seamlessly raise and lower as needed. Wooden planks are being precisely cut to size using a bandsaw and assembled into stair sections in the workshop, after which those parts are brought inside the silo and the stair treads are being installed step by step. This careful process is being done because precise cutting and strong joints make the staircase highly durable and completely safe for climbing. Long wooden beams are being precisely installed along the interior stone wall using metal brackets based on laser line measurements, and plywood boards are then being secured on top to create the upper floor. This careful process is being done because the laser-leveled beams and strong brackets ensure that the new floor is completely flat and capable of safely supporting heavy loads. Sturdy wooden frames are being precisely built using wooden planks across the entrance openings, and OSB boards will soon be installed over them. This step-by-step process is being done because building a solid frame first ensures that the OSB boards fit perfectly, making the wall exceptionally strong and protected from the weather. Sturdy wooden frames are being precisely built using wooden planks on both the lower and upper sections with the help of a scissor lift, preparing the structure so that OSB boards can easily and firmly be installed over them afterwards. This step-by-step process is being done because building accurate frames first ensures a perfect foundation for the upcoming wall and window installations. OSB boards are being carefully lifted and screwed onto the newly built wooden frames, followed by a white weatherproof house wrap being rolled out and stapled over them. This step-by-step process is being done because the OSB boards provide a solid wall structure, while the wrap protects the internal wood from moisture and rain damage. Glass windows with black frames are being carefully lifted using a boom lift and fitted one by one into the upper wooden frames of the silo, where they are securely screwed into place. This delicate process is being done because these large panoramic windows allow an abundance of natural light to flood the interior lounge, while providing breathtaking, unobstructed views of the surrounding landscape. Large glass windows are being carefully fitted into the lower wooden frames, right alongside the main entrance door being precisely aligned and securely screwed into place. This careful work is being done because the windows and door provide ample natural light to the interior while keeping the entire building fully secure. Flashing tape and wooden trim are being carefully installed around the upper and lower windows, immediately followed by wooden siding planks being nailed and fitted onto the exterior walls. This step-by-step process is being done because the trim and flashing protect the window frames from water, while the wooden siding gives the building a stunning and completely finished look. Mold wooden planks are being precisely measured, cut, and screwed onto the lower level's plywood subfloor, gradually completing the flooring work in the entryway. This careful process is being done because these reclaimed wooden planks provide the interior space with a rustic, stunning, and durable flooring look. The wooden floors across the entire building are being thoroughly buffed and smoothed out using floor sanding machines, immediately followed by a rich wood stain and varnish being carefully rolled and brushed onto all the surfaces. This whole house process is being done because the sanding removes all rough spots, while the varnish layer increases the durability of the wood and brings a premium glossy finish to every room's floor. Wooden planks are being precisely installed on the interior floor, followed by fiberglass insulation being fitted into the walls and frames, and finally, wooden ceiling planks are being screwed securely onto the porch and entryway ceiling. This step-by-step process is being done because the flooring and insulation ensure indoor comfort and warmth, while the wooden ceiling panels give the entire interior a premium look. Curved plastic borders are being staked out to outline the outdoor patio, while the sub-base material is being compacted with a machine and a grid of metal rebar is being arranged for the upcoming concrete pour. This step-by-step process is being done because the proper border and organized rebar reinforcement protect the large patio from cracking, providing an extremely strong and durable foundation. Heavy wooden stair treads are being precisely drilled to create center holes, brought inside the silo, and then carefully stacked and fitted spirally, one by one, over a central metal pole. This careful process is being done because the precise drilling and secure alignment over the pole make the spiral staircase exceptionally sturdy and completely safe for climbing. Holes are being drilled into wooden posts using a drill machine. Steel rods are being cut to exact measurements using a metal cutter. And finally, they are being precisely installed as railings alongside the staircase. This careful process is being done because the precise drilling and accurately cut rods make the stair railing exceptionally sturdy and completely safe for use while climbing. Fresh concrete is being pumped and poured directly over the prepared rebar grid of the outdoor patio using a large concrete truck, while workers are evenly spreading and leveling it across the entire surface with tools. This process is being efficiently done because the proper pouring and smooth leveling create a massive, solid, and wonderfully flat patio surface for outdoor gatherings. Expansion joints are being precisely cut into the newly poured patio using a concrete saw. Dust and debris are being blown away with a leaf blower, and the entire surface is being thoroughly washed down with a high-pressure washer. This step-by-step process is being done because the cuts prevent random cracking in the concrete, while the thorough cleaning leaves the patio with an immaculate, polished, and perfectly finished look. Metal post bases are being firmly bolted onto the concrete balcony slab. A railing frame is being assembled by inserting metal rods into pre-drilled wooden blocks. And finally, the complete railing is being precisely installed along the edge of the balcony. This careful process is being done because the sturdy metal bases and well-structured metal rod railings make the balcony completely safe while giving it an attractive finished look. Wooden posts and base frames for the lower-level bar counter are being set up on the floor. Internal structural supports are being added and screwed tightly, and reclaimed wooden planks are being nailed over black underlayment paper to finish the exterior. This step-by-step process is being done because the sturdy wooden framing provides extreme durability, while the wooden paneling gives the bar counter an exceptionally stunning and rustic look. Large wooden beams and planks are being precisely measured, cut, and glued together to build a square wooden frame in the workshop, while chisels and hammers are being used to carve and shape a rustic texture onto the wood surface. This careful process is being done because the perfectly joined frame and textured finish make the final structure exceptionally sturdy, highly durable, and visually captivating. Thick ropes and cables are being tied to the massive wooden frame to hoist it up. The rope connections are being securely tightened using an angle grinder, and recessed lights are being carefully installed into the hanging wooden frame right beneath the ceiling. This careful process is being done because the strong cabling safely suspends the heavy frame, while the lighting system illuminates it to create a stunning visual feature. Custom wooden base and frame are being carefully constructed along the circular walls of the upper lounge, and additional wooden boards are being clamped and fitted to complete the seating structure. This careful process is being done because these sturdy wooden frames provide an exceptionally strong and comfortable foundation for mounting the cushions later. Foam is being precisely cut to shape using a bandsaw. Cushioning batting is being stapled over it. The cushions are being neatly wrapped in fabric using a staple gun and hammer. And finally, the finished cushions are being properly installed onto the lounge sofa frames. This careful process is being done because the precise cutting and professional upholstery work make the entire seating area exceptionally comfortable and luxurious. Black metal post bases are being assembled very tightly, one by one, using nuts and bolts. The metal base is being permanently installed into the drilled floor at the bottom of the spiral stairs using heavy bolts. And finally, a combination of metal rods and wood railings is being precisely fitted along the staircase. This careful process is being done with precise measurements because the sturdy metal bases and strong railings make the entire spiral staircase exceptionally durable and completely safe for climbing. large hole is being carefully drilled through the old stone wall of the silo to safely vent out the smoke from the wood stove, and a metal pipe or chimney will be installed there shortly. This meticulous process is being done because a proper stovepipe connection prevents smoke from accumulating indoors and effectively helps keep the entire room safe and warm. Large plywood boards or panels are being carefully installed around the fireplace. Black paint is being evenly rolled over the wooden surface. And finally, small wooden pieces are being meticulously arranged and glued in a chevron pattern over it. This careful process is being done because the wooden chevron design set against the black background gives the fireplace wall an exceptionally premium, modern, and eye-catching appearance. Custom wooden pieces are being precisely arranged, glued, and strapped together in the workshop to build a beautiful octagonal tabletop. This is being done because it is being crafted specifically to fit perfectly into the open center space of the circular lounge sofa, creating a stunning custom center table. Wooden support legs are being leveled and installed around the floor opening on the upper level. The main table base structure is being completed with side frames. And finally, the pre-built octagonal tabletop from the workshop is being carefully fitted onto the base. This careful process is being done because the sturdy wooden legs and precisely fitted tabletop create a brilliant, permanent, and highly functional center table right in the middle of the lounge seating area. A black metal ring is being carefully fitted around a round wooden piece using a mallet in the workshop. Metal cables are being securely attached to create a hanging mechanism. And finally, the suspended tray or platform is being hung from the central hook on the upper ceiling to test its stability. This careful process is being done because the sturdy metal frame and precise cabling system safely and beautifully suspend the hanging tray in place. Various types of attractive drink bottles are being neatly organized and arranged on the wooden shelf fixed to the stone wall of the lower-level bar area, and a premium soundbar is being set up right below the large flat-screen TV to complete the space. This careful process is being done because the well-arranged bottles and modern sound system give this old stone room the ultimate premium look of a true lounge or bar. Finally, after months of hard work, this abandoned 100-year-old silo has been successfully transformed into an amazing luxury gathering space for the family. From the stunning interior lounge to the beautiful outdoor patio, every single detail has been brought to life. If you enjoyed this incredible journey, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments how you liked the final result. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.